Hello guys, happy spring. I hope you're having a wonderful day. Today we are going to do a nursery tour of all of our vegetable plants. So I'm Holly. If you don't know me, my husband Sebastian and I own Set Apart Health, which is a chiropractic wellness center, and we also own Set Apart Farm and Gardens, which is an online nursery and local pickup to Greenville, South Carolina. We grow proven winners annuals and perennials and 100% chemical-free vegetable plants like these. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you what we got today. They are growing like crazy. Look at these beautiful plants, so beautiful. We are picking orders right now, so they are flying out of the shelf, so to speak. Sebastian and our team member are doing all the orders. Next week is like massive ship out, massive local pickup orders. So I wanted to show you guys all of them before they go. But like I said, we don't use any chemicals. We use all organic products and practices. We plant in a beautiful compost-based mix and use Espoma organic fertilizers, all that fun stuff. So this is, I'm just gonna show you each plant, not like the specifics of it, but here in the south, lettuce loves cool weather anyway, but in the south, if you plant it in a shady spot, it will last extra long, which is fun. This is our salvia lettuce, beautiful. This is our Muir lettuce. This is more heat tolerant and just gorgeous. All-Star lettuce, which is like your lettuce mix. This is probably one of our best sellers. So beautiful. Here is Butter Crunch lettuce, which is like a butterhead, just really thick, dense, crunchy lettuce. Got some dirt on there. Whoopsie. So beautiful. These are like salad ready. Like we were joking, just get your lemon juice, olive oil, and you can have your salad. Beautiful. Cherokee lettuce. Gorgeous. More Cherokee lettuce. We have our Toscano kale or dinosaur kale. These all come in 6 packs like this. We have our Darkabor kale. And if you let these grow, they become like massive trees. Beautiful rainbow Swiss chard. These are all in 6 packs as well. Our website, I forgot to give to you guys for local. Our local website is setapartfarmandgardens.com, and our shipping website is Set Apart Farm Gardens Ship Now. Here's flash collards. Beautiful, beautiful plants. They're so healthy right now. With the moisture from the rain and the cooler weather, it's warming up. It's just prime time for these. Bull's red beets. Beautiful. Look at all of Flash Mix calendula. Oh my goodness. These are just in their prime. I can't wait to give them to you guys. Calendula collards. These are the Nabecan scallions. These are the red onions, candy onions. Here's our herbs. This is our sage. Beautiful. I wish you guys could smell these. Here's our teddy dill. Beautiful. And we still have some areas right here where it just needs to be pinched off. That happens on many plants where you have growth like that. We have our beautiful summertime Greek oregano. I love the oregano, just how it looks. It's so cute. Look how cute it is. Wish you guys could smell it. Here's our Rocket Mix snapdragons. These are beautiful. I love their purpley leaves. Those are in 6 packs as well as our cut flowers. And then more Greek oregano, some foxglove, camelot mix. We have more in another area, but there's some more oregano, proven winners annuals. Here's our peppers. We have the early jalapeno pepper. Look at that. That's always a big seller. We have California Wonder pepper, more California Wonder, Flavor Burst, which is a beautiful orange bell pepper. Our cilantro. Cilantro is one of my favorites. Oh, amazing. And then we have some of our beneficial insects wildflower mix. We always sell these like crazy. Make good plants for the pollinators. And then if we swing over all these annuals. We have our parsley, giant of Italian parsley. These all come in the single packs. More parsley. Here's a ton more of the foxglove. And then we have butterfly and hummingbird wildflower mix and our shade pollinator mix for here. Just gonna swing around, look at, you guys can see, oh, all the flowers in their prime. They're so pretty. And look at the lettuce. It's just so healthy. I'll let you guys enjoy a little walk through. Beautiful. And as I turn around, you guys get to see some of the gorgeous annuals. I just did an annual tour. You guys can see all that in the perennials as well. So pretty. Here our team is picking all the orders and getting them all ready ahead of time. Beautiful. Okay, we're gonna head into greenhouse number 2 where we have a lot of our heat-loving plants like the tomatoes, stuff like that, because it has been a little cooler at night. We are just getting through that and we're gonna start to be able to take them outside. So let's take a look. You can see the flowers. These are our proven winners annual picked orders that are getting ready to get shipped out. Let's see, we have the rosemary right here. This one takes longer to grow as well with its lavender cousin, so it's in the greenhouse, taking its time growing. This looks like lemon basil. Yep, it smells amazing. It has a really distinct look. Oh, I love it. Lemon basil. Okay, looks like this is our watermelon, crimson sweet watermelon, Sarah's Choice cantaloupe, and these are all in single pots. Look at that, so fun. These are our, let's see, Sahara, double Sahara raspberry zinnias, which are dwarf zinnia. These are Durango marigolds, always a top big seller. Here's our stevia plants. They grew big. There's another section of them somewhere, but they got really big. And here's all our tomatoes. Look at all that. It's like Tomatoville. So we have Early Girl, Sun Gold, Better Boy. I'm gonna try to remember all of them because I can't get in there. Sweet 100, San Marzano, I think German striped. What is that German one? Striped German. Let's see, anybody else? Probably some more I'm forgetting. They're all on our website, but those are all our tomatoes. Oh, Beefmaster is always a big top seller. Better Boy, Cherokee Purple. So those are the majority of them. And then if we head back over here, these are our 6-pack Dahlia cut flower mix. Those are big. They really beefed up. These are our eggplant, Beatrice eggplant. The Genovese basil, a staple. Look at that. Let me find. Look at that, so beautiful. Oh, smells like Italy. Favorite place in the world. Oh, so good. These are our Cosmos 6-pack flower mix, double click Cosmo mix. They're just getting ready to bud up. And they're starting to pick the orders, so they're starting to pull pots out of here. Here's the rest of the stevia. Awesome. Here's behind me the rest of the lemon basil and the lavender. Culinary lavender. Oh, it smells so good, so sweet. I love it. Okay, here's some of our vine crops. We have National Pickling Cucumber, General Lee Cucumber, Unagi Cucumber, Dunja Cucumber, Butternut Squash. There's a Spaghetti Squash. More Dunja. Can't remember if there's anything else. I think that's all. And then we have the beautiful amethyst basil. These are all in single pots. I think just the greens and the cut flowers are in the 6-packs. Oh, this is one of my favorites, the bush basil. It literally will make like a boxwood bush. It's so beautiful. More eggplant, all basil. these got big. These are our zinnias, the Binnery Giant. Our system, when we do orders and we get it right, it cheers for us. It goes, woo! It's hilarious. These are our Binnery Giant zinnias, 6-pack cut flower. So beautiful. All right, guys, I think I got through all of them. Let me give you an overlook. We try to do top sellers. We try to do specific ones that you guys like. We try to do some of our favorites, kind of a mix of them. So hopefully I got them all. I think, yeah, I think just the Proven Winners annuals are in that greenhouse. Thank you guys so much for watching this vegetable tour. Oh, it's so fun. I love the veggies because we grow them and they provide food for us all year long. We try to grow most of our produce. So I hope that it blesses you guys, that you can do the same, that you can experience God's healing through your garden. We thank you so much and are so grateful for your support, both with all of our orders, with our nursery, and supporting us that way, and our channel as well, and watching our videos. Hope you guys have a blessed day. See you in the next one. Bye.
And be sure to click on this next video for more garden-related content.